Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll be showing you to fix the issue where your Samsung Galaxy A16 touch is not working. Alright, so this is the Galaxy A16 and of course I'm just demonstrating how to solve this issue whenever it happens to your device. Alright, so it's not happening to this device, but I'm going to walk you through the process of how we deal with the situation when the touch is not working. So of course if you have lost touch input for whatever reason, this is how we normally go about fixing the problems. All right, so if you're unable to move anything on screen and touch is totally gone, this is what you do. You're going to locate your power and volume down button, so both of those you're going to press and hold. You might not get anything on screen, you might not even see anything depending on the situation, but regardless, keep holding power and down, and of course you're going to keep holding until the screen goes black or blank. Then you can let go. All right, as soon as the screen goes black or blank, then the phone should restart automatically. All right, if it doesn't restart automatically, you can go ahead and press power. Now of course what we're doing now is refreshing the software on the device by forcing a restart of the operating system. All right, if you do that, what should happen now is that after the reboot, you should be good to go and your device should be responsive again. Now, of course, in addition, if your touch is periodically responding, meaning sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't, it might be another issue. And of course, one of the other issues could be that it could be the screen protector that's on your device that's actually causing the touch to be inconsistent. In order to fix this, you're going to go to your settings. So go ahead and find the settings icon. You're going to tap. And of course, you should be in the settings menu. You're going to go down. You're going to find display. And of course, you're going to go down here. And you're going to search for the option that says touch sensitivity. All right, so that's this option here. And it says it increases the sensitivity of the screen for use with screen protectors. All right, so you can actually turn that on, especially if you have on a screen protector. Your device should be much more sensitive to touch now. Third, it might be that your device is actually freezing up because there's not enough free space on the device. So in order to check your free space, you can go ahead and go to settings. And of course, once you're in settings, you can go to device care. Once you're in device care, you're gonna go ahead and you're going to go to. All right, so once you're in device care, it should tell you your condition. This device is good, so of course you see there's an option to optimize now, but you can see your storage right here. So tap. You're going to make sure that your storage is adequate. In other words, make sure that you have enough free space. Now, as you can see on this device, we have 29% use, but you can see that we have 37.5 gigabytes of 128 gigabytes. So as you can see from the graph, the gray space is actually free space. All right, so we have a lot of free space. So 70% of this space is free. This is more than enough. If yours is in the red or almost full, it could be slowing down the system. You need to free up some files. So for example, I recommend at least 25% free space. So of course, if you're in the red, that is a clear indication you need to free up some space. So from here, you can go ahead and start deleting large pictures, large apps that you're not using to free up some space. All right, so of course you can also use the optimize now to scan and remove junk files. All right, so if you free up enough space, and of course if your device has enough room and it's not cluttered up, it should start running much more freely. And of course, if it's what's causing the device to become frozen or freeze, then of course it should fix the issue. And again, you should find that of course that problem is fixed. All right, so we've explored some of the major causes of your device that's maybe causing the problem that as described here. So I do hope this was able to fix your problem. If you have any questions, you can ask them below. And as always, guys, Ricardo from Blog Tech Tips. Saying bye until next time. Bye.